Hi everyone and welcome back to Food Channel for learning basic English. Today we are going to see the simple present tense. But before we get started, let's ask this question. When do we use the simple present tense? There are two ways to express the simple present tense. Number one is to share facts. And number two is to express regular actions. Let's deal with number one. We use the simple present tense to share facts, which refers to information that are true. Example number one, I am from London and I speak English, meaning that it's obvious that I speak English because simply I live in London. One more example. Jason lives in New York City. Jason lives in New York City. Lives is in the simple present tense. Number two, we also use the simple present tense to express regular actions, like in schedule or timetable. When I say schedule or timetable, I mean something happened every day at the same time. Example, I go to the gym every Saturday. I go to the gym every Saturday. Go here is in the simple present tense, and we know it's a regular action because we have the expression every Saturday. One more example. The bus leaves at 3 p.m. Bus leaves at 3 p.m. Leaves here is this verb in the simple present tense. This is a part of timetable. You can understand it's a part of a bus schedule. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy it. Cheers!